Wardrobes are essential part of any house and plays crucial role to maintaining order and organization. They provide ample storage for clothes and shoes and other personal items, keeping your living space clutter-free and well organized. In this video, I will share why wardrobes is important and how it can be improve overall look and feel of your house. First thing, the foremost and wardrobes to provide ample storage space for your clothes and other personal items. This is especially important in homes with limited closet space, where wardrobes can serve as crucial storage solution. With their large and interior and adjustable shelves, wardrobes offer ample space for even most of extensive wardrobes and freeing up floor space and reduce clutter in your bedroom or other living areas. And the reason why wardrobes are so important in their impact on the overall aesthetic of your house. Wardrobes comes in wide ranges of styles and finishes, making it easy to find one that complements your exciting decor. And whatever you prefer, modern, minimalistic look or traditional or ornate style, there is wardrobes to match your taste. Moreover, wardrobes can also serve as a statement piece in your house, adding character to personality and to your living space. With their stylish designs and eye-catching finishes, wardrobes can be focal point of any room. Let's create warm and inviting atmosphere. In addition to their authentic appeal, wardrobes are also practical and functional. They offer ample storage space, keeping your clothes and personal items organized, easily accessible with their adjustable shelves and hanging rods. Wardrobes can be customized to suit your needs and specific your making it easier to find what you are looking for. And finally, wardrobes are investment that will be last for years to come, made from durable materials, and wardrobes are built to last, providing yours that to ensuring that your clothes and personal items are always well organized and protected. This kind of wardrobe designs is built in wardrobes and generally crafted floor to ceilings and makes use for every space inch of the space. Since these kind of wardrobes are not portable, therefore it's better for the person to keep their clothes and other accessories and it gives without the second thought finding any suitable location for keeping and arranging clothes. Since most and belt wardrobes lack of near of panel, you may be stored at such as impossible shape, which free up room and bulky boxes and containers. And walk-in wardrobes, this kind of luxurious wardrobe design ideas, are ideal for those who have to lots of room space and lots of money to invest. Drawers and bookshelves and coat racks and even chairs are common. An example of this kind of wardrobes are typically large wardrobes that are primarily intended of storing vast collection of house and footwears and even being to use changing room. Fitted wardrobes can be also regarded as one of the best wardrobe design ideas that quite similar to built wardrobes and without taking up so much floor space. Fitted wardrobes are offered to most of from storing clothes, accessories, and shoes. One can maximize every square inch on your space. Inside room has air made of expect properties. Additionally, has the offer to personal customization to menu of select any arrangement of drawers and shelves, hanging rails, and specially accessories to storage choice. And contemporary fitted wardrobes more practical to large and freestanding cabinets is case bedroom, being shared with another person as well. And mirror wardrobes are another kind of wardrobe design idea that can be utilized by interior design while designing any home. These wardrobes actually enhance the size of your bedroom and which are being crafted. Wardrobe mirror actually expanded the room apartment of dimensions This is a result of how well mirror surfaces are reflecting the illumination work. Mirrors have the power to create sense of virtual space for room, and mirror wardrobes can effectuate to do this. The sense of depth and generated with many make small bedrooms and appear is a bigger size. Wardrobe attached and study table unit can be another one of the best wardrobe design ideas that can be utilized by interior design. Wardrobes are one of the most important item for all the bedroom furnitures. However, in case person has the floor ceiling variety and then would take up lots of room space. Installing chairs and study desks, it cannot be take important floor space, which can make the room appear smaller size. And the study table with has wardrobe designs, link of chains to everything. This bedroom contemporary wardrobe. This contain cupboards for storing addition to desk connection. It's perfect example of contemporary design with useful by increasing functionality. A smart bedroom wardrobes without shutter can be also be based off wardrobe design ideas that can offer to enough room space for all the members of redesigning the house. This modular wardrobe design provides ample space for all the members of your arranging their clothes and accessories. It's featured the three doors layout of disconnect parts that which is large cabinet and hanging doors. One may hang personal outfits and jackets as well other members' clothes. With case of without thinking finding any second place for arranging these regular clothes. Wardrobes with sliding wardrobes. That can be regarded as one of the best wardrobe design ideas that can help to converse the idea inside bedroom. Having wardrobes with that functionality of sliding doors might be a set of solving two problems. At once, its case in the bedroom has limited space, and the area required to open and close the doors inside outwards of reduce the sliding doors. Additionally, since the wardrobe with sliding doors and mirror doors is double duty on dressers and organizer, there is no longer need for any extra design of furniture. If the bedroom is small, you may be sliding door wardrobe is mirror attached to the desk. These wardrobes are maybe required for any house. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share it. Thank you.